Oh, wow. We're missing something here. I guess you'll see as the video goes on. We took the, me and my buddy Jim took the wheel off, saw blade, saw disc, head saw, spinning wheel of death, whatever you want to call it. We took it off. Like I said a couple videos ago, the carriage, or the husk, this part here, got a little loose and cockeyed, and I had a little blade wobble happening. So I figured I'd take it off, took it to the Amish saw doctor, gonna have him, you know, do some voodoo to it and make it spin right and not blow up in my face. I should have heard back from him by today, he said, the end of the week, like a week. And I haven't heard anything, so I guess I'll give him a call on Monday and we'll see where we're at. Good thing he's got a phone. But that's kind of where we're at now. We got thick snow that warmed up and melted, and now it's just a real thick ice layer everywhere. So we're going to be at a standstill for a while till this 12 inches of ice melts off. But until then, I guess we'll wait for the saw wheel to get back. We'll, you know, shove that back on, be ready to go. And I think maybe if I get some time, it's been like a year since or 2 years since I've had that dog on, the third one. It was broken when I got it. I fixed it, and then I broke it again shortly after I got it. But, you know, it's the way it goes, so maybe we'll fix that. We'll see. I got some more exciting stuff coming up, and we're going to get to the sawn as soon as all this is gone. We're going to start plowing the wood through this thing. We got the new rollers on. Those are ready for somebody to stand down there and start sliding boards down it. Side note, I did not have a wrench for the nut for the head saw. That guy there, I think it's 2 5/16 maybe. When I first got the mill, but through all my auction junk buys, I managed to find this on a pallet of junk that I bought, and it just happens to have the exact right size head on that end. So it works out pretty good. And oh, there's the remnants there. You'll see at the end of the video I had to make a crate, shipping crate for the saw. Kind of was going for round, came out as an octagon, but it gets the job done. But yeah, well, oh, and the rollers work good. Slid the first piece down. I mean, you know, they roll. Just gotta make some stoppers down there, so start piling it up, and next thing you know, there'd be stacks of lumber everywhere. Probably not, but we'll see in the future.
You thought it would get me, sure. Keep going. There we go.
Let's just set it on them threads, and I'm just going to try picking up on it and seeing what the...
How's the weight?
Not too bad. Let me get a fucking pan tight up here before I get a blowout. I think I can just pick it right up. I mean, she's not particularly light.
Nope, I don't think so. Do you want to roll it on those teeth?
Probably not.
Did you ask the guy if the teeth should be in it?
Yeah, he wants them.
He wants them in
So
it.
bring it as it is.